$30 for a full day of rock and roll. You can't beat that anywhere. Come on over to the Family Shooting Center, guys.
Oh, hey, Kyle. What's up?
Oh, hey, Matt. How's it going? We're doing our new gun rental of the month. For July, we decided to go with this ar15 Spikes Tactical. It's our new gun rental of the month. It's not just any AR. It's a good old Buccaneer model. Good old Jolly Rogers.
Oh, yar.
So, with this rental, for $30, you get 30 rounds, ammo, complimentary, and you get a free premium target. It's a good target. A lot of fun, great gun to shoot, really nice vortex optic on it. You ready to see this little puppy twirl? Ready? Firing! $30 with 30 rounds and a free target, complimentary. You can tab up ammo all day. Your rental is good for the full day. Come on over to the Family Shooting Center today, guys. Rent this rifle. You'll be happy you did. We'll see you soon.